While some people may be skeptical about whether or not there's really a method for being able to write in a different way, is there really a new way to do it or a different way to do it? I would say absolutely. This is different than anything that you have heard articulated before.
And it was like magic. I went from 10 out of 10 grants, not scored, not funded, to all my grants got funded. And, everybody said, let me rub you. You got to have the magic. I was like, no, I don't have magic. I have George. What George does is special. There is nothing like it.
What I've watched George do, and it's really kind of a gift. It's like a good coach watching your swing or how you do a layup. He will take a paragraph and then look at it, work on it, and then talk with you about why it's good, but more importantly, what could be better.
So first I'm going to tell you a little bit about the seminar itself. It really appealed to me as a scientist. It presented this as writing from the reader's perspective. And that sounded scientific for me because it basically sets up a nice testable hypothesis. And then the empirical test, which I demand as a scientist, is that I would show it to people before and after, and they were able to follow it much more clearly when I used the Gopen method of taking a look at your sentence and putting things where the reader expects.
It's a joy and a pleasure, and George gives you the tools to do that in a confident way so that you know that your message is going to come through. And it's not just about being clear anymore, it's about being powerful in what you want to say. There is not one single experience, workshop, webinar, seminar, book that I have come across that has come close to making the impact on me in my professional and personal development and growth that encountering Gopen's method and attending his seminars has made. Because it's phenomenal, it's wonderful, it's meaningful, it's insightful, it's purposeful.
With George, I got my first grant, I got my second grant, I got my third, and I continued to get them. He gave me my life, my career, my future. He gave me my dreams. And, I owe him everything.